What's on my table here could be the perfect solutions for those who regularly work on a laptop and want the luxuries of having a second screen while working on mobiles, be it in cafe or a hot seat in your office that doesn't have a space to use a second monitor. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 65. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we'll be checking out the Mobile Pixels Duo X Plus, a 13.3-inch portable monitor. Thanks to Mobile Pixels for sending these review units over. Let's check what's inside. First, the user manuals on how to install the Duo X Plus. You can scan the QR code for the installation guide. Next is a sheet of templates if you need to reaffix the magnets on the back of your laptop. Followed by Duo X Plus monitor, and an L-shaped USB-C cable to a 2-in-1 USB-C and USB-A. Lastly are 12 pieces of 3M double-sided tapes and some document. Unlike any other portable monitors, the Duo X Plus can be attached to the back of your laptop and slide out when you need a second screen. By the way, you can have it slide out to the left or to the right as it has a built-in gyro sensor, and it will rotate according to which directions. The display is attached to the laptop with 4 round magnets and uses adhesive to secure it on the back of your laptop. You can set it up in portrait mode while using the base as a stand. Even though it can work as an external monitor for smartphone and portable games console like Nintendo Switch, the Duo X Plus doesn't stand on its own in landscape, but you can add an origami monitor kickstand with the productivity bundle. It is made almost entirely of plastics and some aluminium alloys on the hinges. With this, it's pretty lightweight at just 550 grams. There are 3 buttons on the back to control the display settings like brightness, contrast, color temperatures, and many more. There are 2 USB-C ports on the side. If your source laptop supports power deliveries, a single USB-C cable is all you need to operate the Duo X Plus. The second USB-C is only required if your device is unable to supply enough power to the monitor. Frankly, the casing looks and feels cheap to the touch, especially the fiddly mechanisms when pull the screen out. Coming to the display, the Duo X Plus supports a matte 13.3-inch Full HD IPS display, 300 nits max brightness, and a standard 60Hz refresh rate. It's more than enough for regular everyday use like office applications, browsing the web, replying to emails, or some creative tools. It may not have the best color accuracy, but it has a great viewing angles thanks to the IPS technology and the matte displays that greatly reduce reflections or glare. Anyhow, the goal of this monitor is mainly to add more screen estate without the need for an external power source. The Mobile Pixels Duo X Plus execute it pretty well by creating a proper secondary monitor for a laptop by adding only a few inches of thickness to the laptop. I strongly believe this could be the next big things in laptop accessories when they improve the mechanisms and the build quality. If you're interested in getting one, the link will be in the description box below. That's all from me on the Mobile Pixels Duo X Plus. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.